Heading into the fall and the fourth quarter, we'll get a look at whether growth held up in the summer and if vacations boosted Canada's economy despite 2 interest rate hikes in June and July. Real GDP data for July will be released on Friday. A preliminary reading earlier this month from StatsCan showed growth was flat because increases in public, financial, and professional sectors were offset by declines in manufacturing, transportation, and construction. The key figure to watch out for will be the preliminary reading for August, which will give us a better indication of how the third quarter is shaping up. Canada could already be in a technical recession if GDP shrinks again in Q3 after contracting at an annualized pace of 0.2% in Q2. We're also set to get the third estimate of Q2 real GDP in the US on Thursday. The second reading in August was 2.1% annualized growth, which was a lower revision from the advanced estimate. Despite the downward revisions, economists say growth is still above trend and showing momentum going into Q3, which means a recession may not happen this year. In earnings, we have a Canadian smartphone pioneer turned software maker and a cruise operator reporting this week that will shed more light on economic activity. BlackBerry releases Q2 results on Thursday, followed by Carnival Corp's Q3 results on Friday. For BlackBerry, weakness in cybersecurity software and Internet of Things will be a concern. The company cut its Q2 guidance earlier this month, which led its share price to fall by double digits. A delay in closing some large government contracts and stiff competition from tech giants are headwinds. But a potential acquisition by Veritas Capital could help it commercialize new products. Carnival is expected to show that bookings and pricing offset its cost growth. Port, freight, and crew travel expenses account for about half of the company's increase in full-year costs. But bookings led by its North American cruise lines showed strength into the summer. Financial goals for 2026 show the company expects double-digit returns on invested capital. That's Advisor Lookahead for this week. For more news and information, check out globeadvisor.ca.